Yeah, 19th question answer CBSE previous year.
Sir,
Sir, number one, sir, in which direction toward the screen or away from the screen does he move? Sir, I
That
think
will
he
be
moves
towards the screen.
towards the screen. And sir, number two, what happens to the size of image
It
as he
decreases.
moves the object towards the?
So the second one will be decreases.
Okay, very
second
good.
will be decrease and one will be
No,
sir
sir, increases.
decreases. See it
No,
question number.
no, sir, it's decreases.
Yes, yes, decreases.
It decreases. And third will be high.
Real virtual image
Virtual,
is formed. Virtual image is
virtual,
formed.
erect and highly enlarged images formed.
Only magnified.
Okay, very good. Okay. Then this 20th one, it is a
Twenty.
diagram, ray
It
diagram,
is the red
Young diagram. So to practice it, it is also CBSE question, previous year question.
CBSC.
And then next, one by one, let us solve.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
that one question, sir, means from the starting, if we take, means if the object is at infinity for convex lens, I'm telling, then image is highly diminished. If it is beyond 2f1, then it is diminished. At 2f1, same size of the object. Between f1 and 2f1, larger than the size of object, and at f1, highly magnified. So sir, as it moves in front, so sir, size is increasing, no sir?
Size is?
Increasing.
Okay, let us see. For what? What happens to the size of the image? Does it decrease or increase?
Sir, as the object is distant and he is moving it towards, so from infinity as we go towards f1, the object size increases as we change the position, means as we keep it nearer and nearer and nearer.
For convex lens, okay. Convex lens ray diagrams, let us see.
Yes sir, you see the convex lens ray diagram. Sir, at infinity, the image is highly diminished. It is a point like, and in beyond 2f1, it is diminished. At 2f1, it is the same size of the object. Between f1 and 2f1, it is larger than the size of object, and at f1, it is highly magnified. And between focus and optical center means pole, that it is
Wait, wait.
also highly magnified.
So what he is doing, student is moving screen toward lens towards the screen. Lens towards the screen. Here, if you are keeping a lens towards the screen, then what is happening? Object distance increasing. Object distance is increasing. So image will be decrease. Size of the image decreases. Sujoy,
Yes, sir.
he is moving lens towards the screen. That means object distance he is increasing, so that image distance or image gradually size of the image decreases. Is it clear?
Sir, here it is written that after that he gradually moves the object towards the lens.
After that, he gradually moves the object towards the lens and each time focuses its image on the screen by adjusting the lens. By adjusting the lens. See, when you are adjusting the lens towards the screen, object distance is increasing. So image size should decrease. That's it.
But sir, I think here he has kept the lens at a one place only. He is moving the, means he is adjusting the lens in, means directionally.
After that, he gradually moves the object towards the lens and each time focuses its image on the screen by adjusting the lens. By
Means,
adjusting
sir, he
the
is.
lens. He is
I
adjusting
think,
the lens
sir, he is
towards the
changing
screen.
the direction.
Uh,
Sir, I think he is changing the direction of lens or something like that to focus the light on the screen.
you
But
take
I
one
don't think, sir, he is
condition. You
moving the
take one
lens.
condition, please. You take only one condition, infinity. You take. The object is at infinity. Or 2f1 you take. 2f. Object is at 2f.
Yes, sir.
Then the
And
image
from
will come
2f1, if
2f2.
yes, sir.
That means here is the screen. You keep this as it is. Object you don't move. Then you keep this lens towards the when you have given the answer first one lens towards the screen. So that means this distance is increasing more than the 2f. This distance is increasing more than 2f. So size of the image decreases. That's it.
But
If again
isn't
you
he
can take
moving the
another
object?
condition of object at somewhere in between 2f and f, and he may move this lens towards the screen like that.
Okay,
How
sir.
come your data finishes with this much early? I have taken now till now 4 hours of class from the morning onwards, and I have just finished 102 MB. 102 MB. So you check by Chitra, some background apps are running. Yeah, next. Next, will you solve this? Solutions are already given here. Will you solve it?
Yes, sir. We can solve it, sir. So give one by one. Solving.
Yeah. Yeah. Prepare now. Now only you practice. Till this meeting ends, we will do the class, and after that we will stop. And you can call me. You can call me every day 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. or up to 10 p.m. also. You can call me. Okay. If any doubts are there. Solve it. Solve it. One by one, you solve it. Till this meeting ends, we will solve.
The speed.
What is the answer?
Sir, speed is 1.25 into 10 to the power 8. Hello.
Uh, I think they are asking the absolute refractive index, not the speed.
Yes, sir.
Okay? That's it. Yes. 2.4 is the answer. What is the answer, Kamna?
2 into 10 to power 8.
Yes, very good. Very good. Yeah. Next 12th. Yes, yes. In vacuum, part 1.
3 into 10 to the power 8.
Okay. Okay.
In water, 2.5 it is coming. 2.25 into 10 to the power 8.
In water, 2.25 into 10 power 8. Yes, very good.
Yes.
Sir, it will be 1.5.
3 by 2,
Yeah, that one.
1.5. Both are same.
Okay, sir.
Correct.
That side only.
Diagram is there, na?
Oh, that is of 14.
Yeah.
Root
2.
3 by root 2 is coming in my one.
Root
Root
3
2
by
by root 3.
root 3 by root 2 is the
Root
answer.
3
Sir,
root 3
Yes,
by
sir.
root
sir, I have got root 3.
15.
Still, let's discuss chapter 2.
Ah,
Chapter 2.
acha. Let's do human eye. In the human eye also most of the parts were deleted. Defects were deleted.
Only defects or parts of human eye also.
It is given functioning of a lens in human eye. It is deleted. That means accommodation, all those things. Defects of vision and their
Students of
correction. Defects of vision and their correction. Deleted. And applications of spherical mirrors and lenses. Deleted. This part, I think for the first part almost deleted. This first Vinesh, whatever I shared, myopia, hypermetropia, these are all will not be there. Far point, near point numericals will not be there. So we can close it. Then this, let us take this. The dispersion will be there. Scattering, dispersion. Yeah, yeah, dispersion. Let us understand.
Sir, if
Yes.
there it is written that means fill in the blanks is given, stars twinkle because of then dash is given. So if we write refraction, then it is wrong.
Because of
Means fill in the blanks is there. Okay, sir. Means stars twinkle because of then dash is given. So if we write the refraction, then it is wrong, no, sir.
refraction is correct.
But our school teacher was telling either you have to write scattering of light or you have to write atmospheric refraction.
Yeah, yeah.
Atmospheric.
Atmospheric refraction you have to write.
Yes, sir. He
Refraction
told
will be
that either
taking
you have to
place.
write scattering of light or atmospheric refraction.
Refraction will
Otherwise,
be
you will
taking
not.
place, so you should write atmospheric refraction. So this is one more thing we have not discussed. Intensity is directly proportional to the fourth power of wavelength. It is a Rayleigh. Rayleigh is a scientist's name.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
sir means red light, wow, red light, yellow light, white light, violet light. All the lights have same speed, no, sir?
Yeah, same speed. Same speed, but when they are traveling from one medium to other medium, then their speeds will be different.
if whole of the white light is only traveling from one medium to another medium, then their dispersed lights will also have the same speed, no sir?
No, different colors will have different speeds. So that is
Why,
what
sir?
we have understood during the refraction. During the refraction, speed will change, wavelength will change, but not the frequency. Speed changes during the refraction.
Yes, sir. That is why some color bend the most, means violet bends the most and red bends the least.
Oh yes, red is having least bending. Red shows least bending.
Yes.
Yeah, this one. This will not be there. Yeah.
Sir, when you will take test for physics?
Test.
Yes,
These
sir.
many questions we are solving. Taking test. Okay, let me think about
Okay, sir.
it.
Sir, if you will take, then take it on Wednesday. Because
Yeah,
next day is our exam.
yeah. Thursday is
Thursday.
your exam. Thursday is your
Yes.
exam, right?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay, okay. Before the exam only, I'll try to plan. So here you will get like this only. Red color reflects maximum or scatters maximum, scatters least. So these kind of things you have to remember. Red color scatters least. Okay. Blue color scatters most. Violet color is most. Then indigo. Then blue. Like that. If wavelength is more, scattering power is less. Least. In VIBGR, wavelength is more for red. Scattering power is least for red. Okay. So this in this on this base we will get some questions. So these are all we have done. Every problem we have done. This also we have done. Okay, this we have not done. Ninth CPSC. Ninth one, what is the answer? Ninth one.
Sir, because it has the least wavelength.
Huh?
Sir, that light that bends is violet and it has the least wavelength.
Why does a ray of light bend towards the base when it emerges out of prism? Because there is a change in medium, change in refractive index. That's it.
Oh,
Towards the base, because and glass refractive index is more than the air refractive index. What is dispersion? Splitting of seven colors, splitting of white light into seven colors with GR or a spectrum. When the light travels from air to glass prism is called dispersion. Okay. Which color of light has maximum wavelength? Red. Which color of light has minimum wavelength? Violet. How many identical prisms were used by Newton in his experiment on dispersion and recombining effects? Two. Give an example of dispersion of light from daily life. Rainbow. Give any one application of scattered light from daily life. Blue color of the sky. Why is the sun is reddish during the sunrise? Yeah. Yeah. These two answers. 32, 33, please answer.
Bluish colors are already scattered in the atmosphere. Only the colors which are towards the red are left, so that are coming from the white color sun. So only so we can see the color as red because blue is also because blue is already scattered in the sky.
Yeah, they have to travel more distance during the sunset and during the sunrise. So if it is a longer distance, then red light is able to least scattered so that it will reach the earth surface. While blue light, it is the most scattered light, so it will not reach to us. So we will not see it as a blue light or any other color. Red is having the least scattering ability. And the next, why sky is blue due to scattering. So these are all there. Okay. Yeah, 17th one you answer. 17th one. Yeah. Seventeenth.
Is wrong because sky is not yellow. Sky is blue. It should be vice versa.
The color at position marked 3 and 5 are similar to the color of the sky and the color of gold metal.
Yes, sir, it is
Respective.
correct.
Third one is
No,
sky,
it's
sky
wrong.
color blue, correct only. And fifth one, with G.
So here it is respectively. So three to the sky, but one is that yellow.
Yeah, fifth one is yellow. Color of the
Third one is
third one is blue, correct. But fifth one is ours is yellow. This diagram, fifth one is yellow. But
third
is
is
gold is
yellow.
in yellow?
Yes, yellow is on the top, red, orange, yellow.
No,
Sorry,
no, no,
red,
no,
yellow,
no.
orange.
Oh, we are doing something wrong. VGR is from down.
Yes, sir.
VGR is from down.
Same.
Yes, sir. So three is yellow. You
Mm.
see?
Sir, it is vice versa.
One, two, three. Yeah. Third one is blue there.
Yellow.
So it is wrong.
Yellow.
And fifth one is blue. Fifth one is blue.
But they
Then
are
gold
plain
color
yellow.
is not blue. So wrong. It is incorrect. It is incorrect.
Sir, and of part 2, A is 7, B is 1, C is 7. Oh, sorry, A is 1, B is A is 7, B is
A
1,
seven.
C is 6, and D is 2.
D is 2.
C is C1.
So C is 5.
C is 6.
Neil, which is applied to the clothes. It is in blue in color. So C should be 5, D should be 2, and B should be 1.
I think it is indigo. Because indigo means Neil, that is means darker than blue.
Yes, sir,
So
it's
I
the
think
darker.
yes, sir.
It is blue only.
Okay.
You can say C as a 5.
Okay, sir.
The next. Yeah, this one is okay, done. Describe the formation of rainbow, done. It is diagram you have to do. Why do different colors get separated when a white light passes? Because they do not have, they have different wavelengths. Different wavelength colors have different bending nature. So that is why they split. You have to tell this. And that is due to scattering. That phenomena, sorry, that phenomena is called as dispersion. Okay, the meeting is going to end in another 5 minutes. We will stop after this because nothing is there. We have revised many times. And if you have doubts, you can call me 5 to 10 p.m. You can call me every day. And you can message also. Yeah, the next 21st. When and where do we see a rainbow? Acha, have you
During or after rain, opposite side of the sun.
yeah, very good. Okay, fine. Acha, have you tried this experiment which I said?
Yes, sir.
Abhishekta has tried, Kamna has tried, and others.
So I didn't get a very clear one.
Uh-huh.
But it could. I didn't get a very clear one, but it could be identified.
Okay, fine. So I'm just showing one video which I have tried in my home. So you please see that.
Presence of sunlight. We are keeping it.
Can you see my video? Can you see this video? Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
The presence of sunlight. We are keeping it mirror in the water. You can see that there's a beautiful rainbow on the screen.
Is it okay? Very simple. Yeah. You try, do well, revise well, ask doubts daily half an hour. You must do physics daily half an hour compulsory. Throughout the year, compulsory daily half an hour.